BJP government is draconian in nature that does not consider the common man while taking decisions. Independent candidate for Daboli, Kenneth Silvera, alleged on Wednesday. Drug menace in the state needs to be controlled by the government by creating awareness among the masses about ill effects of drugs, Silvera said. He assured the Daboli residents a garbage-free vicinity and a sustainable all-round development. He also emphasized the need to save the resources for future generations which are being exploited by the present generation.
Kenneth Silvera is an entrepreneur dealing in computers, hotels and investment. Silvera ran a computer dealing business which was hampered by the then Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar by distributing free laptops to students under the Cyber Aid scheme. Mopa Airport is the big land scam in Goa by the BJP government, and the landowners were not compensated at the exact cost of their land, Kenneth disclosed.
What Parrikar did was he distributed almost free computers to everyone, which destroyed our business. Okay, if at all we are paying taxes to the government, it is like the government should have been our partner, not it's like feeding a snake. And the computer supply was given to only say one person who is kith and kin of his own relative. So not me. There are thousands of dealers in computer who were affected. We should make everyone more aware about the drug use. Drugs is something which our body needs when we need it. If we take drugs when our body does not need, tomorrow the body will depend on the drug. So why we need to be dependent on someone? So the person who takes drug is a fool. We should work towards educating means those who are on drugs.
People got fed up of Congress government and hence it gave a chance to the BJP government. But the BJP had done development only for the rich people. The rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer, Kenneth alleged. When asked about casino removal from the state, Kenneth said that people who say that they want to remove casinos are extortionists as they promise one thing before elections and change their stand after winning the elections. All the assurances given in the manifesto will be fulfilled as they are the need of the hour, Kenneth said.
Those are middle class, those who are poor, they are becoming more and more poor, and the rich are becoming richer and richer. And I feel that this present government is very draconian in nature, self-centered, selfish, and not taking people into confidence, and they are behaving like a dictator. The moment anybody says no casino, is termed by me as extortionist. Okay, because first Congress brought the casino, then BJP said no casino, no casino. Andar घुस के I don't remember. Okay, so the same BJP government has extended tenfold support to the casino and gone out of the way for their permission, and the ship which is in River Mandovi, they have relaxed certain rules. So they are giving full support, and when they are not in power, they say no casino. Whereas AAP is following the same thing now.
For Prime Video journalist Mahesh Wangankar, Panjim.